We are just waking up from a cheeky little wild camp in the hills above Peebles. We cycled up last night, up Janet's Brae, up the back of Glentress, and we've camped quite late at night last night. And it's about just gone 7:30 in the morning. So we're just in the process of waking up, getting up, and we're going to have some breakfast. I've brought some bacon with me, so we're going to have bacon butties, which we're going to cook over the camp stove, and then head back down into Peebles and yeah, enjoy the day. So it's been an impromptu little wild camp at the last minute with myself and Chris, who's still asleep. So we've got to be really quiet that we don't wake him up. So yes, I'm going to get the stove going and the bacon butties on shortly. Morning, Hilton.
Oh, you didn't sleep so well.
I need a decent pillow for this sort of stuff. I'm getting the bacon butties going in a minute. We'll not go hungry. Right, the bacon is on. The Hilton is getting up, and we are literally cooking on gas.
Yeah.
Little mini stove. Right, this bacon's just about ready for round one. Whoa. You ready?
Yeah.
It's been a cracking wee trip. So just roll down the hill and go and find the families. Cool.
We've got the code.
Oh, Chris, it's been a pleasure.
It's been good. I've enjoyed it. Bit of adventure.
Just getting back into Peebles now. Just in time for a second breakfast.